for giving me the opportunity to present this very important motion that affects the lives of the entire northeastern part of the country and also Borno State in particular. Mr. President, I would like to read the motion as follows. Move the motion as follows. The Senate notes with utter dismay the recent joint UN assessment report released in June 2016 by the International Medical Aid Agency, MSF, also called Doctors Without Borders, on how hundreds of Nigerians die daily in internally displaced persons camps. The Senate is appalled by the reported figure that an estimated, Mr. President, I need your protection.
You are protected.
The Senate is appalled by the reported figure that an estimated 485,822 cases of severe acute malnutrition cases of children under 5 years and pregnant women in the IDP camps, and 128 of these children die every day in the camp, meaning 5 children die every hour. The Senate is worried that the organization, in a statement signed by its head of mission, Nigeria, described the situation as a catastrophic humanitarian emergency. It says that 550,000 people face severe food shortages and require immediate food assistance. The Senate is aware that these severe food shortages are directly linked to the inability of farmers in the affected region to access or cultivate their farms in the last 3 years. The inadequate access to relief materials and the need to get more institutions involved in the provision and distribution of the needed relief materials to the people in the IDP camps. The Senate is disturbed that from January to May 2016, UNICEF has admitted and treated 2,530 children in Borno State for acute malnutrition, with a total of 47,423 children from Adamawa, Borno, and Yobe were treated of acute malnutrition under the same period. The Senate is aware that to mitigate the sufferings in the northeast of the country, the National Assembly appropriated in the 2016 budget the sum of 10 billion naira under the service-wide board for relocation and resettlement of internally displaced persons nationwide. The Senate is worried that the successes that we are making with the military is now being blighted by our lack of management of the success by taking care of the liberated population. The Senate observes that the report had indicated that it will take just about $349 million to adequately provide the affected population with basic living conditions that support life for at least 3 months. The Senate calls on the private sector and other donor agencies to rally around government efforts to help provide succor to our brothers and sisters who are suffering in rather dehumanizing environment. Accordingly, the Senate resolves to urge the federal government through the Ministry of Finance to immediately release necessary funds to immediately arrest this developing situation by freeing up a strategic framework for the release and distribution of monies from the service-wide board appropriated for IDPs in the 2016 budget. Direct the Senate Committee on Special Duties, States and Local Governments to carry out a fact-finding visit to the troubled states of Adamawa, Borno, and Yobe states to find out the challenges of the IDPs. Urge the federal government to coordinate immediate fundraising with the private sector to sustainably ensure that no one more Nigerian child or woman dies of malnutrition irrespective of their situation. Commend the state governments in the affected states of Borno, Adamawa, and Yobe, as well as the host states of Gombe, Bauchi, Taraba, for their efforts so far in accommodating a feeding of the IDPs. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to call on my colleagues to kindly support this motion. This is a motion on an issue that affects the lives of some of the federating units of Nigeria. Where there is an issue that affects certain federation units of Nigeria, it affects all the other federation units, because we are living in a cosmopolitan environment. Because of that, I would like to call on people on this side and the other side to kindly support this motion. Thank you very much, sir.